This week, the 13th through the 19th, is Driver Appreciation Week. And yes, I drive truck, but that's not why I'm making this video. I'm making this video for all my fellow drivers out here. Either, you know, to say thank you. You know, if they weren't out here, they weren't driving these trucks, there's a lot of things that wouldn't be moving. A lot of things that you wouldn't get, that you'd have to go quite a ways to get. They bring everything from cars to clothes on your body to food on your table. You know, they bring everything. Even the gas to put in your car so you can go to work. So I just want to say thank you to all you drivers. Take care, be safe out there on the road.